Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add all the S&P 500 companies to a watch list in TradingView in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this deal down in the description. In it, you will get the subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that if you are interested, you explore the offers and hurry up. Now, once you are on tradingview.com, simply log in into your account first, then hover over to the products, hover over to the screeners and click on the option of stocks in the screeners. Now, once you see this type of layout in front of you, you first of all need to make changes into it. Like in the all stocks, you will have to select the market, click on this market option, then select USA. Now it is going to show you all of the stocks that are basically based on the USA market. Now here click on the option of index and here select the option of S&P 500. Now once you do this, it is going to simply just show you all of the stocks that comes in S&P 500. Now in order to add them all in your watch list, all you need to do is you just have to right click on the stock which you want to add to the watch list. Since you want to add them all, simply press Ctrl plus A. Then it is going to select all of the symbols over here. Now you just have to right click on the chart and here you will see the option of add to watch list. Now here when you click on the option of add to watch list, it is going to basically ask whether you want to add it to a existing watch list or you want to add it to a new watch list. Now since you want to add it to a new watch list, you will have to select the option of create new list. Now it is going to show you this type of pop-up which says that you can't actually do it with the basic plan. You need to subscribe for the premium plan if you want to add 100 plus entries in your watch list. So if you are interested, you can check out the trial, and currently 80% off discount is also going on. But for now, in order to add these stocks, you just have to select the stocks, then add them in your existing watch list, just like so. So for free, you will add up to 30 stocks. So this way you can do it easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.